No.
How far? Yeah. Fill up.
This bloke here, Reese, is meant to be filling up that barrel with dirt. Have a look at it. This is what I'm fucking dealing with up here, right? This is what you call one useless cunt. If there ever was a saying, he's good as tits on a ball, well, this cunt's good as tits on a ball. Yep. He's been a good fucking 1 minute now, and there's only one shovel going to bury it. No, we're just gonna fucking fuck around here for a bit. We'll keep videoing until the first shovel load goes, you know. Hey, well, what the fuck are you doing? 1 minute, 20 seconds, not one shovel load in the barrow. There we go. Oh, look out, we've got a bit of a fucking warmer. Oh, no. No, yeah, he's fucked. No, still not in the barrow yet. No, we'll just lean on the shovel here a bit and look around the corner. So if any cunts coming, we'll just fucking just watch the barrow. Just watch the dirt. We're just going to watch the dirt now, Reece. We're not going to fucking pick it up. Oh, look out. Here we go. Yeah! He's got one in. I can't continue.